and we can write V-raid.
Ah, Veera! Welcome! V-raid! Welcome to the stream! Yatta! We do the raiding now? Yeah, welcome! Okay. This is actually not a very good timing to raid because if you think that I play this kind of game every day, it's not. Okay, I need to do a clarification first. What is... Okay, so it's just that I thought this game is somewhat like a Balatro gambling dice gamba. Yeah. I mean, I saw the girl on the Steam store. But I thought, oh okay, maybe it's just like a quest, a quota, something. So yeah. She lost her family-friendly car with this stream. Unarchived. By the way, Raiders, thank you for coming. I hope you enjoyed the stream and happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Okay, in Finnish. Okay. Paljon avan, paljon sinulle, paljon avan, paljon avan, paljon avan, paljon. Paljon avan, paljon. Veera, happy birthday! Don't make me laugh. Okay. Paljon avan, paljon avan, paljon sinulle, paljon avan. Paljon avan, paljon avan, paljon sinulle, paljon avan. Veera, happy birthday! Raiders, happy birthday to all of you. That's happy birthday in Finnish for all of you that just came to the stream. I'm so proud of my multilingual happy birthday Oshi idol. Thank you. Appreciate it so much. Paljon avan. It seems like Veera will be scared seeing this. Oh, really? Yeah! Veera is here. Doko. Doko. OMG! Oh, she said OMG! Let's go! She said OMG, guys. Approved. It was perfect. How come your pronunciation is so good? I know, right? Bro, thank you. Appreciate it so much, Veera. Thank you so much for... Like, you sang it better than actual Finnish people? You must be kidding, right? Thank you so much. Thank you, you did so good. Yay! You can sing in any language except Indonesian. Go to Finland when, bro? I've been in Finland already. Yeah, I went to Finland for 3 days during Europe tour that time. But that time I haven't been able to sing happy birthday in Finnish. I can do that just last night. Ella is now a certified VTuber. Let's go! Happy birthday!